In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a status column when a date column updates in Monday.com. First, head over to monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, open the board where you want to manage your tasks. This is the board where the automation will live, so make sure you're in the right place before you continue. Now check whether your board already has the two columns you need, a date column and a status column. If one or both are missing, click the plus add column option and add them. The date column is what will trigger the automation, and the status column is what will change automatically when that date condition is met. Having both of these set up correctly is important because the automation depends on them. Next, go to the top of the board and click Automate. This opens Monday.com's Automation Center, where you can create rules that handle repetitive updates for you. Click Create Automation to start building a custom workflow. In the Automation search area, look for a recipe similar to when date arrives, notify someone. That recipe is a good starting point. Instead of using the notify action, you'll switch it to an action that changes a status. The main thing you want is the trigger based on the date column updating or arriving. Choose the automation trigger called when date arrives, or the closest equivalent available in your account. Then select the date column you want this rule to watch. After that, set the condition based on how you want it to behave, such as when the date arrives or when the date is set. This depends on whether you want the status to change on the actual date or immediately when someone enters a date. Now for the action. Choose Change Status to something. Then select your status column and pick the exact status value you want Monday.com to apply automatically, such as in progress or completed. Once everything looks right, click Create Automation. At this point, the main setup is done. To test it, update or enter a date in the date column for one of your items. Then watch the status column and confirm that it updates automatically based on the automation you just created. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the status doesn't change right away, double check that you selected the correct date column, the correct status column, and the right trigger condition. A small mismatch here can stop the automation from firing as expected. It also helps to test with a fresh item so you can clearly see the automation run. And that's it. You've successfully set up Monday.com to change your status column when a date column updates, which is a great way to keep your board organized and reduce manual work. Congratulations and thanks for watching.